goats, but ghosthlubi, peanuts, and mink, right? What's the YouTube today? We're gonna be looking at ghosthlubi and peanuts. Who's which? Let's go into the video. Let's see what he talking about.
What of the day? Now let's talk about ghosthlubi and peanuts. It's not a secret that these two are some of the biggest young creators on the South African internet right now. Everywhere you look, they are dominating. Whether it's YouTube, TikTok, Instagram or Facebook, these guys know how to grab people's attention. Every time they upload a video, people stop what they're doing just to watch it. What? And on YouTube especially, pulling millions of views has become something that's almost expected from them. Now, here's something a lot of people don't seem to understand. With numbers like that comes serious money. If you know how to turn attention into a business, social media can completely change your life. Ghosthlubi and peanuts aren't just making videos for fun anymore, they're running businesses. Obviously, YouTube ads are one way they make money. Every time people watch their videos, that creates income.
Baba, 3 goats, Baba, issue. Ghosthlubi, peanuts, and mink, right?
But that's honestly just one piece of the puzzle. When you have millions of people watching your content every month, brands start knocking on your door because they know you have influence. Companies will pay creators to promote their products because they know people actually pay attention to them. Then you've got things like appearances, collaborations, merchandise, affiliate deals, and other opportunities that come with having a massive audience. That's why I honestly get surprised whenever I hear people saying ghosthlubi is living a fake life or pretending to be rich. To me, that just shows that
like the other YouTubers are just posting to be influencers. Ghosthlubi is posting as a businessman.
Some people still don't understand how much money there is to be made on social media. Guys, social media has money, real money. The internet has completely changed the game. Years ago, people thought you had to become a doctor, lawyer or musician to become wealthy. Now we've got ordinary people picking up a camera, staying consistent, building audience and making a living from entertaining people online. Simple. It's not easy by any means, but when it works, it can completely change your life. And I have to give ghosthlubi his flowers because he understood that opportunity very early. He figured out that social media wasn't just somewhere to post funny videos, it was a business. Instead of chasing quick fame, he built a brand around himself, stayed consistent, kept improving his content, and now he's collecting the rewards from all that hard work. The same goes for Peanuts. That boy is making some serious moves. Every time he uploads, people are there. His videos trend, his clips get shared everywhere, and his following keeps growing. Looking at his numbers, I honestly have no doubt that he's also making good money. And let's be honest, when you're surrounded by people who are winning, you naturally learn from each other. You share ideas, you motivate each other, and push each other to think even bigger. That's why they always say your circle matters. Now let's talk about the cars because that is the part that gets everyone talking. If you've been following ghosthlubi for a while, then you already know he's driven some of the cars most of us only dream about. But right now, the one that seems to have his heart is the BMW M4 G82. The car originally came in red, but he recently wrapped it in purple. And I'm not gonna lie bro, that thing looks absolutely insane. It's one of those cars that instantly grabs your attention the moment it drives past. Then you've got Peanuts. Imagine still being in high school but already making moves that have the whole country talking. I've seen him driving around in a Mercedes-Benz, and honestly, that's not something you see every day from someone who's still in school. Whether people love it or hate it, one thing you can't deny is that he's making people pay attention. Now, of course, whenever young people start achieving success this quickly, there will always be people questioning it. Some will say it's impossible, others will assume something shady is happening, and some will simply refuse to believe that social media can create that kind of income. But the reality is that the creator economy has opened doors that seem.
Hence why you need to just let the people who wanna work, and when not go work a 9 to 5. Simple.
Didn't exist a few years ago. The biggest creators today aren't just influencers, they're entrepreneurs. Personally, these two inspire me a lot. I won't even lie, boy. Seeing ghosthlubi succeed motivates me because we're the same age. Let's start there. Every time I watch him winning, it reminds me that success isn't reserved for a special group of people. If someone from my generation can build something this big, then why should I limit myself? It pushes me to work harder, stay consistent, and keep believing in my own dreams even when things are moving slowly. And Peanuts is another reminder that age doesn't have to stop you. Whether you're still in school, at university, or already working, if you've got talent, discipline, and you're willing to put in the work, you can build something incredible. At the end of the day, whether you're a fan of ghosthlubi or Peanuts or not, I think there's one lesson we can all take from their journey. Don't underestimate social media. If you treat it like a business, stay consistent, and keep improving your craft, it can completely change your life. These guys didn't just go viral once and disappear. They kept showing up, kept creating content, and kept giving people reasons to come back. That's exactly why they are where they are today. Hopefully, they continue inspiring young South Africans to chase their dreams, because stories like these prove that with hard work,
Like,
consistency,
bro,
and
Imago, and to be exact, when you think we're watching ghosthlubi and Peanuts just to actually see them flexing on us. Nah, Baba, fuck that shit. We're watching because of inspiration, gang. Because, like, what the hell? I feel like it's kind of crazy. If you are actually watching things just to actually judge, might as well not watch them. Same as, like, how you don't buy anything you don't eat from the store. Facts. And that's the bottom line, because Mink Mania said so.